Okay, so it's time to do some measuring again. So what we need to do this time is we're going to measure from the big hole end. We're going to measure 15 millimeters and we're going to mark a line around here. This is the bit that we're not going to shape, and then the remainder here we are going to remove to make it a bit more like a cone. So like we did last time, we should measure from the end and get our 15 millimeter mark. Now, this is not a crucial measurement. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just hold my pencil and run around, keeping my finger on the edge of the timber, and it will mark for me 15 mil line the whole way around. Now it's a bit wobbly, as you can see, but it's not a crucial measurement. So we're going to be removing material from here down towards our hole so that this is shaped like this. That's our next step.